Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. First, begin by thoroughly understanding the exam structure, including its 4 domains and their respective weighting. Next, carefully review the official AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam guide. This document outlines all the objectives you need to master. Finally, familiarize yourself with the core AWS services and their fundamental benefits. To deepen your knowledge, utilize the free training and extensive documentation provided by AWS. These resources are invaluable for foundational understanding. Additionally, consider enrolling in a reputable online course. Many offer structured learning paths and practice tests. Regularly practicing with sample questions is crucial to gauge your comprehension and identify areas needing more attention before the actual exam. When studying, pay special attention to AWS billing, pricing models, and essential security best practices. These are frequently tested areas. A thorough understanding of the shared responsibility model is also paramount, as it defines what AWS secures versus what you secure. Consistently review your study notes and revisit any challenging topics to reinforce your learning and ensure retention. For your final preparation, take several full-length practice exams to simulate the actual test environment and manage your time effectively. Ensure you get adequate rest the night before your exam day to maintain focus and clarity. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Approach the exam confidently, knowing you've prepared thoroughly for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.